so she said go to the
Joshie.
greenhouse and see behind it and take a right all the way down.
I'm not scared though.
You're not scared of it? Good job. Faye. Faye.
Baby, come on. Tashi's ready, yay! Look at that mountain.
Where?
Look at that mountain and that mountain. Look at. Tashi.
They're fake. Scary? Joshie then. Joshie stand there. Stand right here. Okay. Yeah. Joshie go. Oh! Joshie. Joshie go. You scared too? Joshie, it's just fake. You don't want to stand with a skeleton? Mommy take one picture. Look, look. Mommy touch it. Mommy touch it. See, it's not real. Okay? Stand right here so Mommy get a picture of you. It's not real. You can try touching it. We can climb on the hay. Open it high. Wow. How about sit a picture?
I just heard to eat the hay.
Uh-huh. Faye. Faye, you have to look here. Baby. Sister too. Good job, sister. Pumpkin. Joshie, stand behind sister. Yeah, sit there.
Maybe and don't walk to the picture.
It's okay. Hey, come here. Joshie, you get the other big pumpkin. Wow, that's a big pumpkin too. Hey, look at Mom. Here, look this way so that you're not looking at the side. This way. Wow, Faye. Sit down, Joshie. Mommy take a picture of you. Joshie, you like that one? Wow. Stand behind her, Joshie. Look here, Faye. Wow, that's cute, Faye. Together.
Look at big one. Big one.
Look at Rabbit, Faye. Look, Rabbit. Rabbit and chicken. They won't let us in here. It's a rabbit. Cute rabbit. Okay, let's go. No, no, no.
Watch where you're going.
Joshie, look at where you're going.
Joshie, say hi.
Joshy. Joshy, look at mom. Joshy.
I'm not scared though.
You're not scared of it? Good job. Faye. Faye.
Baby, come on.
Faye said, ooh. Faye, go like this.
Wait, guys, wait up.
Joshy said horsey.
Horsey.
What else is there? There's a cow too. There's a horse.
Hi,
And a
horse.
cow.
Hi, horsey.
Say hi, Mr. Cow. Hi, Mr. Horse. I think they're boys.
Hi, horsey. Hi, horsey.
You got it?
Why do people go in there? Why can we go there?
You want to go in there?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Follow, Faith. Follow on high.
Here.
You know what that sign says? It says, careful, this horse can bite. Eat too. Yes, okay, let's go. I think we're good. Joshy, say bye-bye to Daddy.
I want to ride
There's the tree inside the cart.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Daddy.
Say
That's ready.
I definitely want to ride with Tony.
Go touch the rabbit. Joshy, go stand next to the rabbit.
Hey guys, I have an idea.
What?
Yeah, go ahead, touch the rabbit. Joshy. Right here, that one. Right there. Aw, come on, Faith. Over here. Run after the rabbit, Joshy. Go get the rabbit, Faith. Don't run, Joshy. He's scared. You have to do it slow, okay? Be really slow. Go get a little closer, yeah? Go get closer. Slowly. Faith, touch that one.
No, there's a tiger. No, you see it. Look.
He ran away. They ran away. Good job, Joshy. You weren't scared. You touched him.
Okay.